good news. The paper tells the story. Let me throw you in there and check it out. As you can see, the top is not blowing nearly as good as the bottom, but it is moving. So that's a good sign. Very good sign. What I'm going to do immediately is open up the hole on either side to match the air box. And I'll show you a before and after of that right now. One more time, I'll take you out front. As you can see, it's just a straight hole, but the box actually comes up here, and we can go back out here just a little bit, but we can come in here, and that's probably that kind of cutting and trimming, maybe a 5-degree difference. You know, it's not a 20 or 30 degree difference like we'd like to see. We'd like this thing in a perfect world in 80 or 90 degree weather to still run at 135 or 140 degrees, and in 40 and 50 degree weather late in the fall or early in the spring, we'd like to have to tape the holes up on the front of this thing or put a thermostat on it to control it, and we just we're not seeing that, you know. So we'll work on it. We'll keep throwing things at it. That radiator is as good as it comes. You know, a third more water. It's as big as will fit inside the nose there. We're not changing noses. We're not changing radiators. We're not doing any of that. If we have to, we'll play around with maybe a different pump if restricting doesn't work or what have you. But we're going to exhaust all the things we have to throw at it. And we'll go from there. But other than that, I need to lose some weight, man. I'm a fatty. Man, am I a fat. So maybe that's why the darn thing's running hot. It's basically saying, you're too fat. You're too fat. Get out of this go-kart. You're too fat. If anybody has a secret other than Marie Osmond and her Nutrisuction, yeah, I'm not a Hollywood type, but hey, leave us a comment below. Love y'all. We'll talk to you later. We're praying for you. It's Wednesday. Church, maybe. See you, folks.